how to use Steam trading cards to sell. First, you want to simply open your browser over here if you are using the website. However, if you're using the application, you can simply open your app as well. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply go to the community section, and after that you want to simply tap on your profile over here, and inside your profile you'd be able to find the inventory section. Tap on inventory, and if you have any kinds of trading cards option, you'd be able to see it over here. You'd be able to find your trade offers as well. You can simply tap on more option, and if you have any kinds of trading cards available, you'd be able to select a card that you want to sell over here. And once you have selected your card, you'd be able to see the sell option as well. You'd be able to sell it to the marketplace, and by doing so you'd be able to review the current market price. You'd be able to enter your desired price as well, and you can simply make your listing over here as well. Once you have made your listing, you'd be able to confirm it, and you want to simply check your community market listing to see its status later on. And this is how you use Steam trading cards to sell. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.